Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house, look at this, with the Kirby Lambert Raine. That's a full custom knife, and we're gonna try to maintain this little fella right over here and clean it up, even if the action is just stellar. So let's do this. But hey, don't forget to like this video. Maybe, you know what, subscribe to the channel if you like this stuff that I'm bringing to you. So let's get started here, and we're gonna need a T8, I believe, for the handle screws. Yeah, and a T15 for the pivot screw, which is this bad boy right over here. So let's do it, guys. Take your time, sit down, enjoy this beautiful disassembly, because you don't see this guy that often, right? So, ready? Let's go. So these are dual anodized titanium screws, and they are custom made. Of course, this is a custom knife. So here you've got the carbo quartz scale, and you can see how it looks on the inside. And then right over here, we don't need to take down the clip. Actually, kind of do. No, we don't. Yeah, that's fine. We just have to make sure about the floating back spacer, but we're gonna be pretty much good to go. So there is a need of a T6 right there. Correct? Yeah, that is correct. Which is gonna go like that. Very good. So this is going through all the way. Alrighty. So that is here. And that is here too. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to need the T15 for the pivot, which we're going to tackle from this side over here, hopefully. Yeah, it's spinning, but I can push on the other side, so that is fine. And just like that, keep it pinched, deploy the blade, and gently wiggle the scale until it just moves out of the way. You're not gonna move the bolsters or anything. Just you know, just be gentle here. I'm gonna take this plastic just to wedge a little bit up top here and see. There you go. So the show side scale is coming off like that, and here you have your Lambert with the, so 1, 2, that's 1, that's 2, where's the other one? Oh, it's here. Okay, so this goes in this one, and this goes right here. So let's keep them like that in the same position. And yeah, basically we are gonna need, so that's a little bit greasy, so you're gonna need a microfiber. We're gonna need a little bit of alcohol, a little bit of oil for this dragon skin, right? And we're gonna clean everything up. So washers are here, and they get cleaned. So make sure you put them back where the groove is, which is this side right there. And then this guy can come out like so, and clean the bearing here. That's very good. Clean the pivot. Look at the pivot, by the way, guys. This is ridiculous. Mokutai pivot color, dual anodized titanium hardware. Really, really gorgeous stuff, guys. Like Kirby, you're doing some crazy stuff right here. And check, I mean, check the stainless steel insert. It's kind of like, looks like it's the same, it looks like part of the handle there. So let me see if we can manage to pry this guy out. There's a lot of gunk underneath that. Maybe if I push it from this side. No, it just doesn't want to come out. I don't want to mess anything up. Maybe with a magnet. No. All right, so that is out. Like so. So this is clean too, like that. Let's just clean the inside of this. Very good. And the inside here too. Nice. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, we're gonna clean this later, right? What's going on here? Just some grease. All right, so this kit, and just look at the signature 2020 Kirby Lambert. Very, very nicely done. Yeah, I wish on the next one there would be some internal skeletonization for these scales to reduce a little bit of the weight, but if not, it's okay. All right, so that is done. The stop pin is clean. We're gonna clean the exterior in a second once everything is assembled. So that is done. Now we're gonna clean the blade like that. Okay, and just use like this area here. So here you go. So now the blade is just clean. We're gonna oil this one because this is, of course, Dragon Skin Damascus. That's the detent ball track. There you go. And oops, also this one we need to take care of and just clean. Nicely done. Here you go. Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna try to do something interesting here. We're gonna install some skiff bearings that I have here, and I hope they are the same. Yeah, they are exactly the same. So if this goes through the pivot, we are in business, and we are. So this is going to be a nice upgrade for the Lambert, for sure. We're going to put the original bearings here in the little box, and we're going to start putting everything together. So starting from the pivot on the back, like so. And then you've got the bearings. And then we're going to do 10 weight nano oil, like 1, 2, and 3. And that is it. And then we're going to do 85 weight nano oil, just a little tiny drop on the detent ball. And then we're gonna do this that I wanted to do since a little bit. So I've got this oil over here, which I'm gonna do a little bit like that, you see, like in this area that you never touch because it's covered by the bolster. It might get rusty because of the nature of the dragon skin, right? Which you want to keep it oiled at all times. And that is it. So this is oiled. Then we're going to take care of the other part. So I'm just going to clean the tang of the blade because we don't want it oily. And if you see, like here, there's also Kirby Lambert signature on the tag of the blade. How cool is that? So that is in. This guy, it's lubed and now it's in. Let's do like that. Stop pin, it's here. So stop pin goes there, like so. Blade is in. Bearing is in. 1, 2, 3 drops are in. And yeah, so wait, what are you doing, Fab? Come on, what's up with you? Did you forget that this is titanium liner, right? What's up? Where's the stainless steel washers? You're not gonna do it? Of course you're gonna do it. So since I messed up, I'm just gonna do another extra drop here, and we're just gonna wipe this area here. So that is done. Now the blade is in, like so. Check the track, which is this one, which goes in contact with the bearings, and then you've got this guy that goes like so, all right? And then you've got the backspacer that has to go in first. So backspacer goes like this and like that, all right? And pretty much is gonna go somewhere like here. Then I'm gonna do this. This guy, this screw goes here. This screw goes here. This guy, look at that, goes there. This guy almost goes there. So see, you can align kind of like that, and then align like this, and then just screw that in until it goes through. So you have this now, which you need to sandwich without losing the washers, the spacers, sorry, like so. All right, so push the lock, release the tension, go down, and then you've got a T6 needed. So let's see if I lined up everything. This guy should be screwing in like that. Just do it gently, all right? Because this is a very delicate phase. You don't want to mess anything up. You want this tight, not over tight, so that is good. Then, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm just gonna leave that for a second. I'm just gonna pop in the T15. I'm just gonna do this guy in like that. I'm gonna take some Loctite, coat the inside, and deal with the pivot first, which is in like that. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that this is all the way down and a little bit less, all right? Then we're gonna tune it and then release the tension. And now you go back to the T6, put away the Loctite and check if there's a little bit more room. You see, there is a little bit more without, look at that, without any extra effort. They need to be tightened, correct? So this guy is here now, like that. We're gonna tune it in a second, and then you've got your T8 for the scale, which one is done and two is also done, like so. And now we've got to take care of the tip of the blade because it needs a little bit of oil, like that. And just with the finger, see, just coat, like a light coat. That's kind of like mineral oil. That is going to protect the integrity, and it's going to protect the dragon skin from the possible rust that can arise, right? So then we have a centered knife, which is perfect. We have an action that is even more stellar than it was before. Sound is amazing, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is fast. Whew. Almost bit me. Guys, this is a very, very cool one, and I am happy with the results. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.